Congratulations! You now have a bunch of parts that combine to create Ainz Ooal Gown. Step 1. Take them out of the box. I believe in you. You can do it. This here's the most important part you're gonna find. It is the main and central stock. The tube there goes down your back and attaches to the back brace, and these two straps will help connect to the rib cage. This part here flips up and down. Here we have the shoulders and the bracket that's going to attach them to that part I just showed you, with the bolts attached. If they're not there, they're probably somewhere in that tub. And put the bolts through the holes. Some difficulty may apply. Yeah. Once on, put the nuts on. Yeah, it makes sense. A 10mm socket works best for getting them tighter. Not entirely necessary, as you're just trying to get them good and fairly good, but if you want for a nice snug fit, good to have something that's not just your fingers for more dexterity. Next, you have these spiky bits. Should have 8 total. 4 for the back, 4 for the front. Each one has a little plasticky tab sticking out that's gonna go into the slots. And put the screws through the holes. The front bits are a bit more challenging, as sometimes screws do not want to line up accordingly. If for some reason it seems like they're just not going in to secure those, you might honestly just consider gluing it. I would not be shocked. Safety first and wanting to stay on. Hopefully it'll still retain that flexibility, because those spikes catch on everything. Moving on to the fabric bits, the parts of the shoulder cowl. Let's get it right through those holes. It's going on before the next bit. The plates hanging down are adjustable. All you have to do is adjust the screws. Put that through those. Unscrew. Put those through holes. Secure it. That brings you to the cowl, and on the underside of this are a couple of snaps. Black in front, silver in the back. And all I have to do is attach like so to the tops of the shoulders. Now, for actually putting this thing on, the top shoulder bracket goes right on. Front piece lifts up to make that a bit easier. At which point you can wrap the back brace around your midsection to hold everything in place, because you do not want it falling off your shoulders and being loose. How exactly you want to get this thing on your shoulders is up to you. There's many different ways. Once you have it on, you can put on the rib cage. The top buckle attaches to the joining buckle right underneath the front plate, like so. Click, just like that. At which point you can shake the straps from the midsection, wrap them around yourself, adjust to fit as needed. And just like that, your Ainz Ooal Gown! Yeah! Have a great time, enjoy the costume!